Alright. Okay.
Hey! Hey, y'all know what it is? Hey! Y'all miss me? Huh? What's wrong, Becky?
Low network connection.
Just keep going. Okay. We getting ready to get started. Come on, Shireen. Hey, y'all, this is my big sister. This is my big sister, Shireen. Y'all know about Ray, right? But here goes Shireen. Come on.
I can't dance like her.
She can't dance like me, but we got it. Where you going, girl? Okay, y'all, this is what we got. We got Mr. Isaac Cheatham from, he's born and raised in New Orleans, right?
Yeah.
But
Marrero.
Marrero, baby.
Marrero, we gonna keep it straight 100 on this,
Okay.
on this station.
Isaac lives in Beaumont,
Yes.
Beaumont, Texas,
Yes.
and he's here visiting. We have a daughter together, Courtney. Y'all heard me mention my daughter,
You can see
Courtney.
the resemblance. I'm sure
Yeah.
you can see that she
So-
looks like me.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead on and let Isaac take over and let y'all know what we're doing today. Okay, so Isaac got the flow.
All right. So I hate to tell this part about me, but I'm a certified chef as well. This is what I do. So I'm not just here just freestyling. I'm here because professionally I've been doing this for over 20 years. And one thing I want to talk about is this Popeye's chicken sandwich. I don't want to talk about it in detail because I know a lot of people have been talking about it. But the thing I'm going to do today, I'm going to do my version of this sandwich and show that we could do this at home without waiting in those long lines and get something healthy to take something to eat for our family. So this sandwich is going to have a similar bread on it. It's going to, where's the bread at? I'm going to show y'all where that bread at, y'all. Okay, thank you. So the bread that we're going to use, this is an artesian bun. It's like an artesian roll. So this is it's similar but better because it's healthier. And when I squeeze this bread, it's very soft. So it's not like chewy and bunny. So this is the bread Sara Lee make it. You see it's a new product. So you see the little white dots on the top? That's like the homemade flour that they have on it, which is gluten free. So that being said, we're gonna also take this sandwich, we're gonna use that. We're gonna incorporate fresh romaine lettuce on this sandwich because on the other sandwich, on the Popeye's chicken sandwich, they don't have any vegetables on it. We're gonna put some fresh tomatoes on the sandwich. We also gonna put some pickles on the sandwich as well. And I'm gonna also make my own remoulade sauce for the sandwich. So the thing is, so by me, so the thing is, instead of using their remoulade sauce, we're gonna make our own. We're gonna use some mayo, and we're gonna use, this is a new product that I'm trying today. I tasted it, I caught my attention at the store, and it's been around for a while. It's a relish, but it's not a pickle-based relish, it's a cabbage-based relish. So the thing is, it's cabbage inside of it. I read it's some good ingredients. It say vinegar, water, sugar, red bell pepper, dried onions, and so and I tasted a little bit of it. So when I incorporate these two things together, we're gonna have our own version of the remoulade sauce.
And what we making again?
We making our version of this Popeye's chicken sandwich, a more healthier, more tastier version, more economical, and also you saving time by doing it yourself. We gonna say this is not gonna even take long, y'all. This not gonna take long at all. So the thing that I did was I already marinated the chicken breast. Okay.
Hey, Ray.
So I marinated the chicken breast already, and I'm gonna show you how they look. But this is how it looks now. And I filleted them. Turn that right there. So the thing I did was, and all of this to the people on this channel, all this here is just creative ideas. It's nothing that I pre-thought of. That today I'm just flowing. I'm learning along with y'all. But the key thing is when you buying your products in the store, just read and go off of how you feel and how you want to cook. Today I felt sweet and hot today. So the thing is, I just know that when you marinating chicken, that's sweet and hot mustard. Can you turn it on that? You don't necessarily need this brand right here. It's called Sweet and Hot Mustard. When I tasted it, when we got here, I tasted it before I put it on the chicken. It had a very unique flavor to it. So I didn't even add any additional seasoning to this chicken. All I did was, and I'm gonna go over here and show y'all how I prepared it. That's all I put on it was this sweet and hot mustard. That's it. That's all you're gonna need. The ingredients inside of this also has mustard, it has vinegar, it has brown sugar and honey in it. So the thing is, you don't have to add more seasoning. That'll be overkill to the product. So that's how we got it. I'm gonna show y'all how we started on it. So the way we started with a chicken breast that looked like this. You see, this is a whole boneless chicken breast. It's thick. That's how it looked before I cut it. Once I cut it, I filleted it and it looks like this. So the thing I'm about to do is I'm gonna cut one for y'all so y'all can see. Shawan, you'll move this out the way from me a little bit.
Rachel said, hey.
Hey, Rachel.
It's this right. This right here. Hey, Rachel. How y'all doing? So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all I'm gonna show y'all how I filleted this breast. So first the breast come thick like that. You just hold it in your hand and you find the middle, and you gotta be careful. You don't have to cut fast, you just cut slow and you just filleting it. If you've been doing this a while, you know it's like a surgeon. You know, you have to have a steady hand. You can't be nervous when you cut, and you have to have a sharp knife, as you can see. So that's how I filleted. Now I'm about to take the fillet and cut that in half down the back of the breast. So that's how I filleted, just like that. The other one, I already have to start pre-filleting it. So now I'm taking that part and I'm cutting that in half as well. After I do that, I'm gonna need somebody to open that mustard up for me, real quick.
What you doing over there, Ree?
I'm cutting up some, what is this again? Wait a minute.
Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts, my favorite.
That's my big sister, y'all.
I got real nervous on this.
Yes, she got nervous. She lost her train of thought.
I was dancing, I'm sorry.
Yeah, Brussels sprouts.
Yeah, Brussels sprouts.
She's a pescatarian, everybody.
So the thing is, these breasts, these here are the same breasts that I've been marinating for about an hour. So I marinated these breasts in that sweet and hot mustard for an hour. I need your hands. So I won't touch this.
What
raw.
you need?
I need this poured in that, but Becky can help out. You got it?
Yeah. I could chew bubble gum and talk at the same time.
That's good. That's perfect. So cook how you feel. That's my motto. I just created that. Cook how you feel.
And what you making again?
I am making our version of the Popeyes chicken sandwich.
Okay, that's just for our new viewers that just came in.
A healthier version of it.
Yeah.
And not just healthier. A lot of times people, when you hear healthy, you think you substituting flavor.
Yeah.
This is going to be better
Right.
than the Popeyes chicken sandwich.
Okay.
As I was telling your sister earlier. I was telling
My sister, everybody.
I was telling her that I've eaten the Popeyes chicken sandwich, and I didn't eat it. I'm gonna keep cooking while I'm doing it.
Yeah.
I didn't eat it because of the hype that was going on. It was about 3 weeks ago, and when it hit Beaumont, I didn't know nothing about it. I just stopped there getting chicken, and I saw it on the board, so I bought one.
Yeah.
And I noticed when I got home that the chicken was cooked to order. It was hot and it was fresh, so that was a plus.
Yeah.
My overall rating, I want to say, so you could understand, was an 85. It wasn't 100, so the 85. It was hot, it was fresh. I could tell the bread was different. And so when I bit into it, I noticed that the sandwich was dry. Okay, the sandwich was dry. I want to say this before we keep moving. So when I noticed that, I went in the refrigerator, and the first thing I did was grab some mayo to put some more sauce on it. They had their version of a remoulade sauce, but that sauce, it wasn't much on it. And I'm being very subjective when it comes down to the explanation of this sandwich. So the sandwich was dry. I noticed they had more bread than meat, more bun than meat on the sandwich.
Yeah.
So that being said, I said, you know what? And I felt they needed tomatoes and lettuce on it. So that being said, that's why we doing it this way. So now we about to go ahead and fry this boy. We gonna get that sizzle on it.
Yeah, the good part.
We gonna get that sizzle on it. Now one other thing I was thinking about adding to this sandwich, and you don't have to, is you can bake some, cook some bacon if you into that. You could put that on there. One last thing, we have some cheese. We got some Gouda, smoked Gouda cheese we gonna put on this sandwich too. That was one ingredient that I need to show y'all. That smoked Gouda cheese that's in the refrigerator. Can you grab it, see if that cheese, if you can see that smoked Gouda? Because I want them to be able to see the ingredients, the before and the after version of it. So we gonna go ahead and get some, I need some milk. Yeah, that's it. I need some milk too, y'all. This is the smoked Gouda cheese that's also gonna be going on this sandwich as well. Okay? All right. You all right over there?
Oh, that's what my sister.
Yeah. Okay. Now I'm checking this milk out. I like this. It's lactose free, huh? Smell it. Good. Yeah, that's good. That's good. It's different, huh? Healthy milk. So the thing I'm pouring this milk in here for, I'm pouring that milk in there because we're gonna dip our chicken inside of this milk. And then one of the other ingredients we have, and Shawan put me on this, I tasted it when we got home too. This is some chicken flavored flour. It's called, Audrey's. Okay, been around for a while. It have a very good flavor to it. It's a light batter. So we gonna see together how this thing come out. I'm gonna check the grease and see if it's hot. It's hot, but I'm gonna get it back a little hotter because I turned it down before we went live.
Under my umbrella, ella, chicken sandwich today, y'all.
That's right.
Hey, y'all, show me some love. Where y'all at? Put them hearts up there. Hey, Jody. Hey, my baby. Yeah, we busy cooking today, baby. Thanks for joining in. Do that thing. Share, love, like.
So I dipped the chicken in that milk. I'm putting it in the flour. I'm gonna do one more. We're gonna do 2 at a time.
Yeah, more love, more light.
The reason why we doing 2 at a time, a lot of people when they dredging their flour, they meat in their flour, you put so much meat in the flour, and I'm pressing them down. Instead of using a mallet, I'm pressing that breast down. So when I press it down, look, you see how thin it got, Shawan?
Yeah.
See how that breast is?
Thin, yeah.
So you press it with your knuckles and with your fists, just like that.
Y'all better learn something.
And so see that, because the thing it does is it don't, when you eating biting into your meat, that meat is gonna be thin and crispy and flaky, rather than have it thick. The texture is different. So I'm doing this other breast.
Popeye's chicken sandwiches.
I'm pressing it down. I'm pressing it down. You see how that breast is? That's gonna be real nice. Now the thing is, if y'all notice, if y'all notice, I didn't add any. They'll say that flour about right. So I'm about to drop it. I didn't add any additional seasoning in this product besides that hot spicy mustard, sweet and spicy mustard, and also that's it. What's up, man? All right. Let's see something. We're gonna wait about another couple minutes. I want to make sure that when I drop that breast, I want sizzle. I don't want blah. We want sizzle.
That's double range.
Yeah, I had just turned it back up. I had turned it back up.
I know, but it's going probably, it's like the highest high.
Okay. About another minute or 2. Mm-hmm. So we're gonna let the oil get hot. We just doing a little stuff off the freestyle tip. So that being said, that's the chicken breast. We're gonna sit here and wait. But if the viewers didn't see earlier, once again, the sweet and spicy mustard is what we marinated the chicken breast in. we filleted the chicken breast, and that's how we did. And then we let them marinate for an hour before we start. That's the thing. One thing that Popeyes does, they advertise that they marinate their chicken at least 24 hours. So, you know, I'm not sure how they do that with as busy as they've been, if they really marinating chicken for 24 hours. But when you marinate for about an hour is sufficient to marinate. 24 hours, once again, I believe that's overkill. You marinate meat for 24 hours. So, so that being said, we're gonna see if this grease has gotten hotter, so we can start.
It's hot, baby. It's hot.
I hear some sizzle. I hear some sizzle. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and drop it. Look, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it. Yeah, I got the sizzle I wanted.
Yeah, sizzle, baby, but sizzle.
That's what I want.
But sizzle.
I didn't want to drop it in the oil and it didn't. You hear that? You hear that sound? That sound like love. That sound like love. We're gonna drop this other one. Now the thing I want y'all to see is how pretty this breast gonna be when it come out. This breast is gonna be pretty. It's gonna have a pretty coat and a pretty texture. Typically a fillet breast probably take about 5 minutes cooking. Maybe 5 minutes. We gonna time it. I see 6:42 up here. We gonna see. Cause I want y'all to have an idea of how long it's taking if it's 6:42.
Cause I ain't cooking, Ray. Ray said I'd be mad if I was playing in the kitchen. But it's my kitchen, baby. Yeah. Go ahead down there, Becky, and get the pan.
All right, excuse me.
It's on the right, yeah, down there.
So if we live, what people doing for this Memorial Day weekend?
What y'all got going on for Labor Day? What y'all plans are? What y'all got planned for this Labor Day weekend? Tell me, share with me, okay? Cause I'm just chilling, gonna cook a few meals and
I'm enjoying this.
few caps.
But right
Watch
now,
some TV.
I'm getting excited about this sandwich.
What y'all doing? What y'all doing? Rachel say Popeye secrets? Nah, baby. Popeye need to take this secret. Because we know what we doing. We're going to do it better. You're going to see.
Well, we from New Orleans. Popeyes is a company of secrets.
Yeah.
Biscuits and the secret this and the secret that.
Yeah.
So, it's been cooking for 1 minute so far. It was 6:42, now it's 6:43. I'm going to check it out and see. I'm going to flip it over and see where we at. All right. So here we go. We're going to see what we working with after 1 minute. So we're going to flip it over. That's 1 minute. So we flipping it over because the main thing we don't want down the back of it to be have that little black spot. So it's nice, pretty, golden brown. Like, let's see what we working with. Golden brown, pretty.
We're making a chicken sandwich. Spicy chicken sandwich.
That's right. Now with the spiciness that Shawan just referred to, we would need to add some additional cayenne pepper when we pull it out. Because cayenne pepper is what really give it that kick it needs. So the thing I want to do is, while we're waiting, I need some relish. You'll grab me some relish out the refrigerator. So I'm letting that cook. It's been cooking 2 minutes so far.
What you about to make?
I'm about to make the remoulade sauce.
Okay.
I'm gonna make that while we let that cook.
All right.
So we need to keep it moving. We can't just sit around and wait. We gotta be pushing. We gotta stay progressive. So the thing I noticed when we got this chow relish, it's cabbage based, but this relish is cucumber, pickle based. So the thing is, we still want that pickle in it. So we're gonna incorporate all three. And it's also, you gotta envision your food. So we're gonna have this pretty orange color, we're gonna have this green color, and we're gonna have that white. So when you incorporate these three flavors, it should have that look that you want. So I'm adding the mayonnaise first. And basically the amount of mayonnaise you adding is the amount of mayonnaise, how much sauce that you want. So
It's just water.
So we add a little bit this cabbage based with chow. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons. Oh yeah, she good. And so pickle relish. Like I said, about 2 teaspoons. I'm not measuring, so to speak, but to give you an idea, that's how much pickle relish and that's how much of the cabbage-based relish we use.
Okay, so Deborah probably said that they're going to have a barbecue with family. They're going to do a barbecue cookout with the family for Labor Day.
That sounds wonderful.
Yeah, thanks Deborah for sharing.
That's all about family.
Yeah, yeah, spending time with people we love.
Yeah, so I mixed them together. I'm about to check on this chicken. We're gonna get back to this sauce. So the chicken been cooking for 4 minutes total. It's 6:46. And see how it looks? Still got a nice little coating on it. It'll be ready in about 1 more minute, so I'm about to flip it 1 more time.
Hey y'all, show me some love. Where my love at?
Okay.
Let me know y'all there.
So this sandwich is gonna be delicious. So going back to the chicken
Hey!
sandwich. The chicken sandwich costs about $6. $5.99, I believe. That's how much it costs in Beaumont, Texas. So that being said, $6. If you feeding a family, you do 6 times 4. That's $24. You know, you can buy your chicken, you can buy your buns, you can buy your vegetables, feed your family and eat not just one chicken sandwich, but you'll have enough to eat it a couple times, you know. One tonight, one tomorrow. You know, you'll get 2 meals out of it. So that's the thing I wanted to share. It's all about savings, because we can reinvest that money and invest it into our families, you know, and our children.
Okay, so Jody said that she's hanging in at home, not too much, waiting for the next happy hour. You do it again. Jody, hey baby, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna take care of you, baby. I had to slow my drinking down, you know, doctor's orders. Okay. Hey Kelly. Kelly said we are truck drivers, so unfortunately we won't be home. I'm sorry, baby. Hey, y'all can stop at a spot and get some food, you know, like barbecue, whatever, out there on the road.
That's right.
Yeah. Thanks, Kimberly Simmons, for checking in.
So I'm about to check now and see if this breast is done. So the best way to check and see if this breast is done, we want to take, is that what we put it on?
Yeah, we're gonna put it on there.
Let's put it right here closer to, I won't have to go too far with it. So, thank you. So we want to make sure we get that grease drained off.
Did you see if Richard came online? I forgot to call him.
Flipping the breast one last time. We're going to cut this temp down a little bit because we're about to start frying again. But they are ready. But I'm going to cut it just to show y'all that they're ready. That's the one we dropped first.
Auntie Rochelle said, hey, Shy. And Kelly Henderson, the ones that's truck driving, she said they have a grill, so we're going to do something. That's right, baby. Yeah, enjoy it. Enjoy life. I feel the love too, Jody. Okay, y'all, he getting ready to cut open his chicken.
I'm going to cut it directly in half.
Yeah.
We're going to see. Now, we live now.
We live, baby. We're going to check it out.
See that boy? That boy done.
Woo! Wait!
You don't have no pink in
Hey,
it.
y'all show me some love, baby. Y'all see it.
That took 5 minutes, as I said.
I know we got to do the bread and all that,
5
but can
minutes.
you cut me a little slither or something?
Of course I
You know?
can. Of course.
Hey, I want some love. Show Pepper some love.
I gotta tell them how it tastes.
Show me some love, baby.
We're gonna see.
We need half of that, because that's too big.
Okay. It's all about taste. We got
Becky behind the camera saying, I want a piece.
Yes, you want
You gonna get a piece, baby?
Hey y'all.
We're gonna tell y'all how it tastes.
Cheyenne want a piece? Cut that one in half. That one right there. That's not half.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, here we go.
Look up. Good. So,
The
what I
flavor
taste
is there.
the meat. The man, I gotta get me one more piece while we talk about
What
it.
you think?
It's moist.
It's moist.
It's real tender.
Yeah. The flavor is there. The flavor is lasting. Like, it's lasting.
It's good.
It's,
So the thing we gonna do,
what we gonna do, boss?
we gonna finesse it. We gonna finesse it. What you looking for?
That.
We gonna finesse it on the top. Come over here, Becky. So the thing we gonna do to even enhance that, we gonna take these sprinkles. Come a little close. We have some cayenne pepper in there, black pepper, salt, paprika, and garlic. Garlic powder. So I'll say that again. We have red pepper, paprika, black pepper, salt, and garlic. We're gonna take those and we're gonna take it and we're gonna mix it together like that. You see that? And we're gonna put that oh yeah bam on there. I'm gonna show you what the oh yeah bam is in a second. All right, there we go. See, we incorporated. Now, we gonna walk over here. Man, that chicken the bomb, y'all.
Oh yeah, it's thebomb.com, baby.
I don't even want to talk to y'all right now. It's so good. All right, I'm losing train of thought. Should we take it and we put that on there? So that's gonna give that outside. Because if y'all notice,
jam.
we didn't do nothing to enhance this chicken. All we did was use that sweet and spicy mustard, and all we did was and put that flour on there, that chicken flour. That's it. So this here, that's just giving if you like a little extra zip on your sandwich. Okay. All right, y'all.
Hey!
Turn this sim back up.
Who you know?
So now we going round 2 with the chicken. We're gonna do the next breast. We're gonna take them and dip
Hey,
them in
Auntie Lowe's.
We're gonna dip them in the milk first. Dip them in the milk. All right.
We're cooking chicken sandwiches. Hey, my bestie, Marguerite. Hey, baby. Just get it out of there.
So I'm flouring the chicken breast. Remember?
Yeah. When you gonna put your bread in there? Cause I want to eat.
I'm gonna eat. You getting inside?
Yeah.
Okay, we about to make it happen.
Can I have that piece of chicken right there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I don't want you to get full.
Shoot.
Cause you gotta experience
Okay.
what we trying to. So I'm gonna need somebody.
No, that's my
While me
bestie.
and Shawan doing this, I'm gonna need somebody to be cutting tomatoes and lettuce.
Oh my God, that's so
So
good.
we can experience it. So look, that's one breast, another one. Got my little sizzle going.
Oh, y'all, this is good.
Yeah.
Hey, Deborah, we all having fun, girl. I wish you could join us. Yeah. Hey, Eldon. Hey, Hoodie. Hey, Boo. I miss you, girl. You should have been here this weekend. Cherie, can you do the romaine lettuce and the tomatoes?
So I'm gonna be putting the buns in the oven short.
Okay.
Okay. Let me get the buns. I need something to drink.
They're right here.
And also Cherie, the this. So this too. I'm gonna need it. Like, is that raw? Is this raw meat
Potatoes.
Oh, okay.
Rocking a hard place.
All right, now I gotta taste that. That's what I was supposed to do. I gotta get back to the sauce.
That's my son, y'all. He gone.
Let me see how the sauce tastes. Let me see how it tastes. The ingredients that I mix.
We making a chicken sandwich. Our own chicken sandwiches over here.
Not the Popeyes version.
Not the Popeyes version, but a version that they should have went with. A better version, baby.
Yeah. This ramelai sauce.
Becky and Auntie Marguerite said, hey.
The ramelai sauce good. I'm about to enhance it though.
Maji Auntie Rochelle said, hey, Maji.
We're gonna take that black pepper, that cayenne pepper, that paprika, and that garlic, and we're gonna take a little bit of that. And we're gonna help our color out a little bit. We're gonna give it some more flavor. We're gonna take some more of this, and so that's gonna do the trick. That's gonna give us what we want and what we need. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's pretty. And we gotta go pretty. I told you, cook like you feel. Cook like you feel. Cook like you feel. We're gonna put some of that in there. Yeah. Since that's what really the base of it. Once again, that's that sweet and hot mustard.
Round of
And now we're gonna
applause.
mix that again. I'm about to see how this tastes. So, what I need you to do, don't eat it. What I need you to
I was about
do-
to sneak a piece
what I
and he
need
stopped
you-
me, y'all.
What I need you to do. No, I'm gonna put a little bit, just a little bit more on there. I'm sorry. Now, there we go.
Okay.
Now look, she gonna tell y'all how this tastes with that sauce on there.
Okay. Honest opinion. It tastes like
Chick-fil-A sauce.
oh yeah.
That's what it tastes like. That, look, when I tasted it, look, we just reinvented. Look, y'all gotta taste that sauce.
Good, baby.
But you know what? It's better though. It's better.
I can eat that. Man, look here, y'all. Y'all, woo!
It's good.
It's good now. This wasn't even playing.
Huh?
We just made this
Oh
up.
yeah. This was not
Wasn't
planned.
even playing.
This here was like we was in the stove doing what we do.
Doing what we do, just
What we
making
gonna
stuff
eat?
up.
Shawan woke up this morning. She said we gonna eat shrimp po' boys.
Yeah.
Do this look like shrimp po' boys? See,
Mhm.
we just changed up. We changed the whole plate.
Oh, change it up, baby.
Changed the plate up.
They ain't ready for us.
That's how we did it.
Mm-hmm.
So we about to flip this breast. We flipped that one. And we can flip this one. And I'm gonna go ahead and put another one in the skillet because it looked like it got room for one more.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put one more in the skillet. I'm about to do the
Hey, Auntie Faynette.
I'm gonna be doing the buns in a minute. The buns not gonna take long. The buns not gonna take long at all.
Hey, Nikki. My bestie, Nikki, who watching.
Okay. So, how many people out there gonna go ahead and do this? Y'all
Yeah,
gonna try it out?
give me a thumbs up if y'all gonna make this chicken sandwich. It ain't Popeyes, it's better. Okay? Yeah, we got some thumbs up.
Right.
Auntie Marguerite, want to see Becky's face. Becky and Cheyenne, they're almost twins. They're 6 months apart, everybody. First cousins. Huh? How you want her to cut that Gouda cheese?
Just try to go one slice. Like,
Straight down?
straight down one time. Like, if it'll go through that easy.
Cheryl, it look tasty. Bye, Popeyes. Hey, she said bye, Popeyes. She said, Cheryl Elaine said, looks tasty. Bye, Popeyes. That's right. That's right. Girl, you all right with me. I don't know which glass I had.
No, that one over here was mine.
Okay.
But it don't even
Too late.
matter.
Hey, Ray, you making it too?
It don't even matter. All right.
Yeah.
We're going to do the buns real quick because I want y'all to see how the chicken sandwich tastes. So let me find them for the rolls. So here they go. So we're going to take these. You got a sheet pan, Becky, you can grab?
Yeah, we got it. Becky, put some aluminum foil on it.
Yeah.
Wow, baby.
Yeah, we live. We are live.
All right.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So, this is our first time ever going live.
Marguerite, I don't even know what you play. I don't even know what you talking about. So, whatever.
So, these are the artesian rolls that I got. It's new. It's made by Sarah Lee. And we just gonna heat them up probably like for a minute or two.
Yeah.
We not trying to, see, they real nice. They real nice
You said, okay.
artesian rolls. So we gonna take them. And when they come out the oven, we are going to spread some butter on it. Or margarine, like a smart balance. Okay. Here we go. So
We don't need that.
We hot. Ain't that much too hot?
Well, I need to,
I'm gonna cut it
take
off.
care of that.
I'm gonna cut it off. That's cool. cut it.
What you had it on boil? Hit the X down at the bottom.
Gotcha. We're gonna put it in there in a minute. That was kind of soon anyway. I turned it off because we don't need to cook the bread.
Thank you, Jody, for sharing.
We just warming the bread up. That's all we doing. Bread's probably got 1 more minute on it. Oh, nice.
Hey, Google, skip this song. Google trying to put us to
Oh,
sleep.
I like that. I like that. Crank that up. That's what I need. I need that in my life. All right. You see on the other day on MTV Awards?
Yeah, they were honoring her.
I recorded it, but
Yeah.
I need to watch that. Okay, we almost in there. You gonna be eating real.
What you using that Gouda cheese for?
That's gonna go on the. That's gonna go
Oh,
on the
okay.
panel.
Okay, you got the pickles out?
Yeah, the pickles over here.
Okay.
We gonna be eating y'all in 5
Hey,
minutes.
Auntie Finesse, hey, where's Cherie at? Cherie, Auntie Finesse, hey. Cheyenne, Auntie Finesse, hey. Hey, I'm dancing behind the scenes.
I'm not a dancer. So I like it. I'm feeling the music though.
Rebecca get mad at me because I'm moving the camera.
You gotta be drunk. You gotta get in it.
Look back. Hi, Marguerite. Wah, wah, wah. Hey, why y'all got the door open? It's hot? Y'all hot or cold? Which one is it? Why y'all got it open? That's okay. Turn that fan on, Cheyenne. It's that first light over there. The first light. Rochelle and Marguerite, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I ain't got time. I'm on a job right now. We will rock. I do not own the rights to this music, okay? You want to put the bread in there?
Yeah, please.
I gotta clean that. That makes me wonder about myself. I put the bread in the oven, y'all. Auntie Lois said that chicken looked so good. Oh, baby, it's good, baby. It's good too, baby.
But somebody needs to melt me some butter in the microwave real quick.
Can one of y'all ladies get some butter melted? Okay.
I don't need much.
Marguerite, I'm gonna boot you off my page. Kimberly, hey, when you try, baby, you gotta let me know how it is. Hey, we frying some fish and shrimp tonight too.
All right. I'm telling you, it's good, y'all. And it's like I said earlier, more affordable, more tastier, and more healthier. You can't lose. And we teaching the family how to do this. It's creating a memory. You know, it's creating a memory up in here, y'all.
Yeah.
You know, that's what it's about. When we get old, and about another 50 years when we get old, because we still young.
Yeah, Auntie Finette, that's what she did. She evacuated. But you know, the last time she evacuated, she brought that storm here. I think she bringing that storm our direction because they said it's coming to North Carolina now. So she basically doing a repeat of Hurricane Matthew. Marguerite, don't play with me, girl. I'm dying to hear what y'all talking about, you and Rochelle. Fish and shrimp, yeah. Girl, anybody coming to Wilmington and make that? That's easy.
That's how your sister do it.
That's Rochelle. She want me to repeat.
Yeah.
I already knew it was coming.
We already knew. She
Yeah.
took longer than what we thought.
Yeah.
What took you so long to
Yeah.
just tell the truth?
Yeah. Hey, thanks Marianne Gold for sharing. Yeah, Auntie Finesse, she bringing that storm again. Thank you, Doris Luckett. Yeah, hey, Deborah, I kind of like sliced down on the videos because, you know, I'm working now. But yeah, we be trying to cook it up. Spicy chicken.
All right. All right, y'all. We about to be eating this chicken sandwich in about 1 minute.
1 minute.
We gonna build it up.
Yeah.
We gonna build it up. Love ain't working for me. So,
Get them blue ones.
no more. So we gonna have to go.
You got no more blue ones?
Changing them out. So here we go. Put a brush it to brush the butter on the bread. So that's the artesian roll.
Yeah. You might want to wet it first.
That's the artesian roll. Everything is ready to build the sandwich. Now go ahead and brush it. See that, y'all? See how pretty that is?
Rochelle said she could make this while her eyes closed. Okay, that's what I'm talking about.
But close them, baby.
Close them, Mike.
Close them while I do it. Close them while I do it. We gonna-
She said, but I want y'all's.
Yeah.
Yeah, Auntie Lois, we making a chicken sandwich, spicy chicken sandwich like Popeyes, right? But better.
Yeah. You see how that bread, how that look, y'all? Yeah, see that? We working with something.
David, I'm sorry, baby. We don't deliver. Nah, baby, I'm sorry. Where you at, David French? What state you live in? Where you coming from? Rep your neighborhood. I wish we could deliver to you. Don't them buns look good?
Oh yeah. So the thing is, after we eat this sandwich, we gonna be going into a commercial break.
He said commercial break.
We gonna eat. We gonna chill for a minute, you know.
We gotta dump some fries, but they ain't part of it.
I gotta change
Yeah.
the grease. So that's the other breast.
You gotta change the grease for that.
No, for this we do. Cause that grease trunk. That's the thing about the looking for that pepper. That's it. So the breast just came out. We gonna go ahead and hit them. That's once again. This what I'm putting on them. This is salt, pepper,
Paprika, cayenne pepper,
cayenne, and garlic.
and garlic.
That's all it is. So we about to build a chicken sandwich. We about to build it. We about to put it together.
New Bern, hey baby, New Bern ain't too far from here. Woo wee. Okay, New Bern about what? An hour. I'm up in Fayetteville, David. I'm in Fayetteville, North Carolina, baby.
Here we go.
All right, New Bern in the house. Maybe I can deliver. Maybe I can.
So here we go, y'all.
It's the final 4 days of Ashley Home Store's Labor Day sale. Hurry in and save up to 25% off.
We're gonna go ahead, they nice and warm. We didn't toast them where they get crunchy. We just wanted to heat our bun up. This is the Ramallah sauce that I made. We're gonna do both sides. I noticed that Popeyes, I see the pictures show both sides on the picture.
It ain't both sides.
But it was only on, this is what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna show you how much they put on my sandwich. When I went to Popeyes, that's all they had on there.
Yo,
So
mine was less than that yesterday.
Yeah. So see
That's
that-
not too far. You right,
so
David.
you tried it too.
Yeah.
So you see what I'm saying? We just being 100 with it.
I don't want that much. That's a lot.
Okay, but let me do this.
Okay.
You got to experience. See, the thing they complain about with the Popeye sandwich, they saying is dry.
Okay.
You know that thick, that breast.
Yeah.
You don't want that.
Yeah.
So the thing is,
You want the pickles too, huh?
yeah.
Okay.
So I can put the pickles down right now at the bottom base, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
It's right to your look turn right there.
Okay. So these here, let me get a fork. Okay. So right here, we're gonna go ahead and put the pickles on there. Normally put about 3 or 4. You don't want to just overdo it, you know. So we're gonna take about 2. You want only 2?
2, yeah.
I'm gonna put 3. We're gonna compromise.
Okay.
So we got the pickles on there. Okay. So now we're gonna take the chicken and put on there.
What you gonna do with that Gouda
You
cheese?
gonna see?
Okay.
The Gouda cheese just gonna go on there.
Yeah, Auntie Lois said Popeyes ain't got nothing on y'all. That's right.
We gonna go with this big one right here. Cause like they saying that Popeyes at the breast is smaller than the bun.
Yeah.
So we don't want that either.
Yeah, we don't want that either.
So the thing is, so we got our pickles, our remoulade sauce on there. Now we put our Gouda cheese out. This is smoked Gouda cheese. So we gonna take that smoked Gouda cheese and we putting on. Now one thing I do want to do with this smoked Gouda cheese, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the microwave with the chicken. I just thought of this. Like I said, we freestyling because we want that cheese, and the breast is still hot right now as we speak. But that's the smoked Gouda cheese. We're gonna go about 20 seconds in the microwave.
Oh, them pickles on point.
You good?
They're good. Thanks, Rochelle. Thanks, Auntie Lois. They said Popeyes ain't got nothing on us. Hey, this Isaac recipe, I like it.
Man, look, it's about to be on.
Hey, for real though, that sauce ain't to be played with.
If y'all wasn't on there, we tasted that sauce.
Woo, sauce ain't to be played with, baby. Oh yeah. Cherie, you ain't eat none of this chicken sandwich?
Now, now this what we wanted, y'all. You see that's how that's the smoked Gouda cheese. We went ahead and melted it. We want that flavor.
Wee!
Okay, now we got that on there.
I don't want no.
Now the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take some of this lettuce. And we're gonna take it and we're just gonna put it on there, like that. We got our tomatoes.
Thank you, Jody. Jody said she liked my dress.
We're gonna put a couple tomatoes on it. Yeah. Now, tomato was a little soft.
Yeah.
I'm not a tomato lover.
Me neither.
Well, look, me neither.
Let's take it all. Yeah.
What we gonna do?
We're
We
gonna
just
take it
rewind.
all.
We just reversed it.
Yeah.
Rewind.
Yeah, there we go.
So,
we're gonna cut that thing in
After
half.
that, we about to cut this boy in half. And we gonna show you what we working with.
Yeah, we about to. Me and Isaac about to test this.
We
thing
just gonna
out.
go down that line.
Yeah.
We're gonna show you how it look in the inside. Look at that, y'all. You see that? That is a beautiful sandwich. We got our smoked Gouda cheese, our lettuce, our pickles, and our homemade remoulade sauce.
Okay.
So that's what
Brad.
we got.
Yeah, that's what we
So
got.
the thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it in half one more time.
Why? You cut yours in half.
We gonna cut it in half.
You gonna cut yours in
It's
half.
hot now. It's hot now, Sarge.
Okay, we about to.
It's hot now.
We about to.
Look, you see that smoke? Look at that smoke coming out there. That sandwich
Stephen
is nice.
said. Steven
Nice.
said, "Yes, Lord." I do like your little small one.
Yeah, I tell you what. Look, this is what I do, baby.
Yeah.
You can just have two small ones.
Yeah, okay.
So we gonna cut this other one in half. You know.
We about to taste test, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna do some fish later, right? My sister don't eat chicken, beef or pork, so we're gonna do fish. And we're gonna apply the same thing.
We gotta do cheers too.
Cheers.
Like that.
Woo!
We gotta do
Okay,
cheers.
here we go.
Hot? Oh my goodness. The first thing hit my taste buds is that smoked Gouda cheese. You taste that smoked Gouda cheese? We didn't even need the bacon. We forgot about the bacon, but the smoked Gouda cheese give it that hickory, like that smoke taste. You taste it. Oh my goodness.
He keep talking, I'm good.
It's good, y'all. It's good, y'all.
Oh yeah.
It's good, y'all.
Hey, look up. Y'all, thank y'all for tuning in today, right?
Man, it's good.
Like I said, Isaac from Beaumont, Texas, right?
Yeah.
Originally from New Orleans, Louisiana, right?
Look.
We did our own chicken sandwich. We'll probably get more reviews, better
Man.
reviews.
I'm not even playing right now.
It's good.
This sandwich,
Go ahead.
if we just had cheese and bread on it, it'd be good. The cheese with the chicken and everything is just coming together perfect. I'm glad we did this.
Hey, look here. Pepper about to sign off, right? Y'all know
What kind of pickles is this?
that's bread and butter chips. We got some other things we got going on in here. We about to fry some fish.
We gotta take a break too. This
about
was
to
work.
fry
This
some
worked,
fish.
y'all. But it's good. It was
We
well
about to
worth
do
it.
some bratwurst.
We're gonna just tighten up a little
I mean,
bit.
not bratwurst, Brussels sprouts.
Yeah.
Hey, Pepper, like y'all, thank y'all for joining. Y'all know what I say all the time. You ain't got to go home. But baby, you got to get the hell up out of my kitchen, okay? Hey, Pepper, love you. Y'all be blessed.